Hello guys! Nasa Tagaytay ako ngayon. Look at the view. Yes. Napakaganda dito. Look at the view, look at the view. Yes. Look at the view guys. Napaka-refreshing, napaka-relaxing. Thank you sa nag-invite sa akin, sa mga friends ko. Such a blessing. And for how many times na ako dito sa Tagaytay, hindi nakakasawa. It really amazed me. Yes. Masarap lang sa feeling. Hope you enjoy watching guys. And ang sarap talaga tawag dito, relax. Masarap unwind pala. That's the exact term, unwind. The climate is good. The weather is fine. And the temperature is not so hot. Malamig. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. Please click like and follow me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.